Hi, Professor Besco here, and welcome to a demonstration on how to use Read Aloud, which is a free Chrome extension for students who are struggling with reading. So what I have here is an article through Dogo News, and if I had a student who was struggling to read this website, I would just have them simply go up to the megaphone, click on the megaphone, and it will begin to read the article aloud to the student.
These seals mimic human speech and music. Researchers in Scotland taught 3 juvenile seals to mimic human sounds and songs. Credit Amanda Stansberry.
If you have spent any time observing seals at the zoo or in the wild, you may have seen the mammals swimming, walking, clapping.
So what you notice, you probably heard two different voices, right? So the first one is the title is being read, and then also the caption underneath this image was being read in a different voice. And then the entire article was read in a different voice. So there's a distinction between the title and captions that are being read, as well as the entire article being read to the student. So now, if the voice, you wanted to change that, or if you wanted to slow it down or speed it up, once you pause it or stop it, you get to this little gear, and when you click on the gear, it gives you some options to edit. So you can simply click on the voice, you can pick another voice if you'd like. You can change the speed. You can also change the pitch, and you can turn off highlighting if you want. And it's that simple. It's a great free extension if you have a student who is struggling with reading.